Hello, I'm Pushpa. Selamat datang, namaskaram, and welcome to my home cooking channel, Rempah Ratu's Kitchen. I first want to thank all you lovely people for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have days when you know you're going to be super busy, rushed off your feet, and still have to get something ready for dinner. The recipe I have for you today is the answer to such days. I call this recipe 3 Chili Chicken Masala. That is because I add chili in 3 different forms to it. Shall we now look at what the ingredients are? The ingredients for the 3 Chili's Chicken Masala are 700 grams of bone-in chicken that I marinated in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 medium-sized onions cut into crescent shapes. Next, I have the masalas, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of roasted fennel seed powder, 3 dried chilies that I cut up, 4 green bird's eye chilies also cut up, the juice of half a lemon, I may not use all of it. Next, salt to taste, 4 stalks of curry leaves, and finally 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm putting the onions. Dried chilies, the green bird's eye chilies, salt to taste. I'll just pour some of this and reserve half of it. I'll add it if it's necessary. 3 stalks of curry leaves. Sorry, I made a mistake. The curry leaves are to be added to the oil. So, we don't marinate the chicken with the curry leaves. The curry leaves are going to be added into the oil. So this is it. Now, I'm going to massage the chicken with all the ingredients that have been added to it. You massage it for at least 5 minutes to make sure that all the ingredients are well infused with the chicken pieces. That's done. Now you can leave it for half an hour if you have the time. But if you don't have the time, you can start cooking it straight away. So shall we make this 3 Chili's chicken masala? Marilah kita masak. The fire is now at medium. I suggest you use a non-stick pan, a frying pan or a wok for this. First thing to go in is the oil. The oil is getting hot. I'm going to put 3 stalks of curry leaves and reduce the flame. Now I dried these curry leaves, but even then the frying pan has splattered and spat at me. So my tip for the day is make sure that the curry leaves are really dry before you put them into the oil. Now, the next thing to go in is the chicken. Did I tell you to massage the chicken for 5 minutes? Well, I lied. You only need to massage it for a couple of minutes. I just want you to ensure that all the flavors of the ingredients are infused properly into the pieces of chicken. Okay, now I'm going to increase the flame to medium. And I'm going to let this chicken cook for 2 minutes on a medium flame. It has been 2 minutes. I'm going to reduce the flame to low, so somewhere between medium and low. And then I'm now going to cover this chicken and let it cook. The idea is, I won't be adding any water to the chicken because the idea is to cook the chicken in its own juices. That's why I'm reducing the flame to between low and medium. I'll cover this and cook the chicken until it is done. It's been 5 minutes. Let me check to see if the chicken is done. Now what I want to mention at this juncture is, if you are not using a non-stick pan, you need to stir this chicken regularly to prevent the chicken from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Let me just try. Just try this piece and see whether it is cooked. The chicken is cooked, but I think it needs a bit more salt and lemon juice. So I'm going to add a little bit more salt and use the remaining lemon juice. And let it fry for another couple of minutes before adding the last 2 ingredients. I won't cover it, I'll just let it fry now. It's been 2 minutes. So the chicken has been cooking for a total of 7 minutes. Now I'm going to add the final 2 ingredients, which are the roasted fennel seed powder and the 1 stalk of curry leaves. The flame is low to medium. Now you must adjust the flame according to your stove, please, because our stoves are different. Okay, now I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 1 minute. I let it cook now for 1 minute on a low to medium flame. I'm going to give this chicken a final stir. I'm going to now put off the fire. 3 chili chicken masala. An easy, quick, wallet-friendly and delectable chicken dish. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now this serving is for 4 people. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and share it. Please also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done so. When subscribing, don't forget to click on the notification bell. Until I see you again next Sunday with my new video, thank you, stay safe and bye.